Bodycon dresses can either make you look classy or completely ruin your vibe, and most people don't know the difference. So hi girlies, welcome to Style with Deepshikha. So today I'm gonna show you how to style one bodycon dress in Korean styles, so you never look boring and try hard again. So this is the dress. Have you ever worn a bodycon dress and felt so uncomfortable? Like too much, too bold and too trying hard? That's because you're missing balance. I have worn this dress and this is looking so boring, right? So there is a secret nobody talks about is layering. So there are so many types of layering, like you can wear blazer, shirt, cardigans. So I am wearing a very cute top or a jacket. I'm wearing this cute top. I can wear it like a jacket. So layer creates depth and depth creates style. You can see me. Let me show you full look. So this is my full look. Let's start the second rule. If everything is tight like this, it looks total overwhelming. Korean styling adds softness. So I'm wearing white shirt as a layer. So this is the shirt that I'm wearing. I fold the shirt. This is oversized shirt. Now fold the sleeve like this. See the difference? It's totally giving Korean university girl vibe. Let's start third rule. So I'm using denim jacket as a layer. Let's see how it's turned out. So this is the denim jacket that I'm wearing. Please ignore the background sound, please. So this is I'm wearing. Oh. Wait for final look, okay? Now let's see how it looks after detailing. So I am wearing these jewelries. Now see the full look. So this is where your outfit becomes expensive. With details it's a look, but without details it's just a dress. Now let's combine everything. So this is the difference between wearing clothes and styling them. If you ever felt your outfit don't look right, it's not you. You just needed the right rules. So subscribe to my channel for more Korean and global styling tips. Bye. See you in the next styling video.